subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV, Capitec Premiership, Mamelodi Sundowns 5, AmaZulu 2. I'm joined by Munamashaba. I'm not.
Man, all right. Sharp. I'm a worried man, in fact. I'm very worried. I'm happy that the goal is already going. We concede a lot. And I get worried because Sipo China is not the best goalkeeper.
Yes.
Although I'm a clean sheet.
Yes.
Arena defense.
Yes.
Pirates in a defense.
Yes.
Always a teacher and China go for like the rebound.
Yes.
You understand? What top?
Yes.
Ronaldo problem come around, particularly centre back.
Hey.
We understand.
Yeah.
I get like about what Wale made is Steve.
Hey.
In football, the injury detail.
Hey.
But let me hit the point running.
Sure.
Our goalkeeper go DDC.
Hey.
If I'm not mistaken, we will go tax.
Hey.
Yeah.
So that is why I say I'm very worried. Because Gossi is there, but in fact we know what we want. Champions League.
Hey.
We need a younger goalkeeper.
Yeah.
But all in all, it was a good football,
yes,
except the conceding of goals.
Yes.
But this is a big game changer. I'm not a fan of Minister of Sport, but he's 100% correct. Gaten Mackenzie. Gaten mfethu hore ubatla nyukwela guidance safa ya VAR.
Yes.
If watsiba mathematics unale literacy unale maths straight. If ever the referee say ke manji gasa ho botswana le ona refa maobane paretse leskukuni. I think the referee yabona training ke literacy. Training literacy. I don't know, Sibo, tell us.
As a pure man.
It's not a pure referee. Get the literacy. FIFA can punish and pay. Never we're gonna behave like this.
I know.
This is fraud.
Upukila kadi also for him.
Mfethu and Arato name PSL ambe mari the referee linesman. Sinya ball. Sundowns mfethu could have won this game.
Yeah.
5-0.
Yes.
I'm blaming the officials and our goalkeeper and our centre back.
Thank you, leadership.
Steve, I know. The other speaker that was here, unlike our FNB by Leba Mutlugumes, Lenagila FNB, Orlando Stadium, particularly when you allow these people in front of us. Marare Lekwa, tell us team.
I never get paid.
Loftus first fell.
Yes.
This is the theater of dreams.
Yes.
But the LED lights. There's no stadium in the country have that thing.
You go Amstel Arena.
There's nothing like this in South Africa. It doesn't have these lights. Only Loftus was felt in the Republic. No. Steve, thank you, gentlemen. I love you.